Information on cane toads. The family Beuphonidae includes the cane toad. The true toads are the name given to this family. The poison produced by each member of this family is lethal, though not all of it is as potent as that of the cane toad. 1. What kind of animal is a cane toad? For a toad, the cane toad is large. The body of a cane toad measures between 4 and 6 inches, 10 centimeters, in length. Men are typically smaller than women. With the exception of its large size, the cane toad resembles other toads very little. It has dry skin that is dotted with wart-like bumps. It can move surprisingly quickly and hops around using its strong rear legs. The cane toad is an amphibian and, like most amphibians, it goes through a metamorphosis physical transformation. The cane toad emerges as a tadpole from an egg. The first stage of its life is spent in water. Tadpoles develop arms and legs as they get older, eventually developing into tiny toads. It can then live on land after leaving the water. 2. Eggs, cane toad facts. The cane toad only enters the water to breed and lives primarily on land. Eggs are laid by female cane toads in extensive jelly strings. At any given time, between 8,000 and 25,000 eggs are laid in strings as long as 20 meters. The transformation of the tadpoles into frogs takes about a month. 3. Poisonous cane toads. The parotoid glands in the entire surface of the cane toad contain poison. The victim's heart is affected by cane toad poison. The cane toad is poisonous at every stage of development, including eggs and tadpoles, which could be fatal to other animals. Humans are rarely killed by cane toad poison, but it can seriously ill and be excruciatingly painful if it gets into the skin or eyes. Many of the cane toad's predators in Central and South America are immune to its poison. The local wildlife hasn't developed any defenses against the cane toad in other parts of the world, where it was spread by humans. The local ecosystems have been severely harmed by this. 4. Australian cane toads. Without any natural predators to control their population, cane toads can proliferate very quickly. The first cane toads were introduced to Australia in 1935. The toads were expected to reduce the population of grey-backed cane beetles and other pests that harmed sugarcane crops. Only 3,000 cane toads were released. Today, the amphibians number over 200 million. Many plans to halt the spread have been tried, but they haven't been very effective. These include simple toad capture techniques as well as biological controls. Cane toad races are occasionally held in Australia, where some people have discovered other uses for the amphibians.